Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to fix email notifications not working on iPhone. So firstly, low power mode disables background mail fetching. So all you have to do is open settings, then tap on battery. Turn low battery mode to off. Just if your battery icon is yellow, lower power mode is active. Now, secondly, try configure email, push, and fetch settings. Open settings, then tap apps. Select mail, then tap on mail accounts. Go to fetch new data, then turn push on. Tap each account and select push if supported or fetch every 15 minutes. Thirdly, you can fix mail app notification permissions. Just open settings, then tap notifications. Select mail and enable allow notifications, lock screen, notification center, and banners. And finally, also you need to try enabling alerts for each email account. Go to settings, notifications, then mail. Tap customize notifications and select each email account, then turn alerts on. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.